Hey gardeners, if you're tired of fighting with poor soil or endless digging, I've got something game-changing for you today. This is the no-dig, layered garden bed method that flipped my whole gardening experience on its head. It's easy, natural, and honestly, it's so effective, I wish I'd started sooner. Let's dive right in. First, pick a sunny spot where your vegetables will get 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. Here's the beauty. You don't have to dig a thing. The no-dig method works on tough clay, rocky, or even weedy ground. Just lay your bed right on top and let nature do the heavy lifting. Step 1. Lay down a thick base of wood. Grab some branches, twigs, even old logs if you have them, as long as the wood's untreated. Spread them out where you want your bed. This step is like building the forest floor. That woody layer soaks up moisture and slowly breaks down, feeding fungi and microbes for months, even years. Next up, pile on your green organic matter. I'm talking grass clippings, kitchen scraps, only fruit and veggie peels, fresh garden trimmings. This layer is nitrogen-rich and gets the whole decomposition party started. As it breaks down, it'll feed worms and beneficial bacteria, making your soil come alive. Now toss on a layer of browns, dry leaves, straw, shredded cardboard, or a bit of sawdust if you have it. Browns add carbon, help with drainage, and keep any smells down while things decompose underneath. This is basically a slow-release fertilizer system happening right under your plants. On top of all that, add a good layer of compost or well-rotted manure. This is where your seedlings will root first, so go thick. 4 to 6 inches is ideal. If you have some topsoil, mix it in for even better results. Don't forget to water everything thoroughly. I like to soak the whole bed until the water reaches those lower layers. This jumpstarts microbial activity and gets all those nutrients flowing. If you live somewhere hot and dry, mulch the top with straw to lock in that moisture. If you can, let your bed settle for a few days. It's not essential, but it gives all those layers a chance to mingle and the biology to kick off. In a hurry, plant right away. That compost layer is ready to go. Now for the best part, planting. Pop in your tomatoes, kale, herbs, whatever you love to grow. The roots will hit nutrients right away, and the magic below keeps feeding them all season. You'll see faster, stronger, more resilient plants because your soil is truly alive. Why does this work? Because it copies what nature's done forever. It builds soil fertility layer by layer, encourages worms, microbes, fungi, and locks in moisture. You'll save on watering, skip the fertilizers, and it works in almost any soil or climate. Plus, it's practically free. Just remember, each season, top up with more compost, leaves, or veggie scraps. Those deep layers keep breaking down and only get better over time. That's real regenerative gardening. If you've struggled with bad soil, give this a try. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and 100% natural. Hit thumbs up if you found this helpful. Subscribe to Nature's Fix, and tell me what you're planting this season in the comments. Happy gardening, and remember, feed your soil, and your soil will feed you.